Hello, in this video, we will learn how to create X account new update. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the X application. Click on the Create icon. We have two methods to create an X account. The first method is through the email saved on your phone. And the second method is by adding the email and confirming it. I will choose the first and easiest method. Select your Gmail. Wait a moment. Here, you need to choose the application's operating language. Select the language you are comfortable with. If your language is not available, search for it. After selecting the language, press Continue. Add your date of birth. Continue. Agree to these terms and wait a moment. Now it asks you to add your username. I will add the name with some personal touches. I am now trying different variations of the name until I find an available username. The red mark on the right side indicates that the name is not available. As you can see, I found an available username now, and the red mark changed to green. Click on Continue. Continue. Allow. You can follow people you know and then click on Continue. Here, it is mandatory to follow some pages of your choice. Click on Continue. As you can see, the account has been successfully created. Finally, support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our new videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.